Like from now, I want you guys to invest in Q4 and launch that business. And I feel like if you choose Q4 to launch, you're going to feel more accomplished and you're going to feel way more confident because you're more than likely to get sales just because you're in the right place at the right time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, also known as UK Curly Girl, and I am the founder of Oso.Curly, a hair tools and accessories business brand selling satin pillowcases, bonnets, hair tools, all of that good stuff. So in today's video, I really want to sit down and talk to you guys and help to motivate you to make that big move to start your own business, and why I feel like now is the perfect time for you to start that business you've been sitting on for a while. Now we're in Q4 and Halloween, Black Friday and Christmas, and then January sales is coming up, and this quarter of the year is the busiest year. As you know, it's pretty obvious that everyone is shopping right now. So everyone is looking for gifts. Some people buy as early as now for their Christmas gifts, and then people may buy in Black Friday to get a special offer on what they want to buy. So they're looking at what they want, adding it to their wish list, and then when it comes to Black Friday sale, they will be ready to buy with their card out, ready to purchase. What I think you should do now, if you have that business idea and if you've been playing around with products and stuff, what you need to be doing right now is, so number one, for me, I feel like if you're going to launch an online business, the first thing you should do obviously is set up a website. But even before that, what you can be doing right now, if you don't have the resources to start a website, what you could do right now is to start a Instagram page or a TikTok page and begin documenting your journey, whether that's you purchasing inventory, designing packaging, coming up with ideas for products, making products if you are an actual maker, you do things DIY at home, and just film that content, take images, post them on Instagram and build up a little following. So the next step is to utilize that following. So once you have that following there, you want to take that audience and direct them to an email list. You could do that by setting up a landing page and just gathering emails that way. I'll link to MailChimp down below, which is what I usually used in the beginning, and then I moved to Klaviyo, but that's way more advanced. So MailChimp, you can get the free plan and you can just start gathering emails straight away. So definitely use MailChimp for that, and you can actually create a landing page within MailChimp. So that's like a fake website, so you can gather them and it will just say website coming soon. Gather them emails and begin to email them every so often. In the beginning, you may feel like you don't have much to say, but even if it's a newsletter once a month and you just give them a roundup of how things are going, and then once it gets nearer to Christmas and Black Friday, you want to be emailing them at least once a week, minimum, just to keep them in the loop and to preview some offers that you may have and send them pictures of the products that you are making and just keep them interested. Now the third thing I'm going to mention is to learn. Whether that's watching YouTubes like the video you're watching of me right now, whether that is reading some books on businesses and how to grow a social media following, whether that is listening to podcasts, or whether that's investing in a course like my course, the How to Start a Product Business from Scratch course. I'm going to show you guys just inside the course and some of the modules that are included are so detailed. I put a lot of time and effort into these lessons, and I will show you how to start your business literally from scratch. If you just want to learn from someone that's been there before, which I would recommend because it's going to bring you to success way faster than if you were to do it all by yourself, I would recommend investing in something like my course, How to Start a Product Business from Scratch. And if you don't have the money up front to pay for the full cost, you can actually opt for the payment plan. So I have a 3-month payment plan where you can pay a third of the full price every single month. So you're saving and you're also getting access to the full course at the same damn time. So the reason why I tell you to build up an audience before you actually launch your business, as I find a lot of my mentees will launch their business and they are a bit disheartened when they don't get a lot of sales. However, if you were to have an email list of, say, 100 people, and at least one person buys from that mail list, you can see that percentage, that conversion rate. So if you think, okay, if I had 100 and one person would purchase from out of that 100 people, imagine if I got 1,000 email subscribers or 10,000 email subscribers. That's going to guarantee you some sales. A free way to do this is simply creating really good content on social media, guys. Check out my past video on why you need to be on TikTok, and that gives you some great examples of what kind of content that you could be producing for your business and behind the scenes, and the whole small business trend that is popping right now that I think you should definitely jump on. So I know product businesses are very different to digital product businesses, because this is a physical product, and that's why I feel like now is the perfect time to start, because people are buying more physical products for Christmas and New Year's and Q4 in general than they would be throughout the rest of the year. So I usually see my sales spike. So definitely check out my Black Friday video from last year to see what happened then and the craziness. So that's why I'm telling you guys, like, from now I want you guys to invest in Q4 and launch that business. And I feel like if you choose Q4 to launch, you're gonna feel more accomplished and you're going to feel way more confident, because you're more than likely to get sales just because you're in the right place at the right time. And with business, that is essential. And the last thing I'm going to mention is the fact that there is an influx of in-person pop-ups and Christmas markets, and just in Q4 in general, a lot of people do pop-up shops, and a lot of retailers allow small businesses to come into their store and to sell that way. So this is great product research for you guys and target audience research, because you're actually able to see buyers in person, get their feedback from your products. They may come up to your store and say, oh, I wish we had this in this color, I really like this, but it would be good if we could have this. And then you're just getting that straight feedback from someone face to face, which gives you so much more insight than online, because you're getting that hands-on interaction with them there and then. So I definitely recommend attending any kind of trade show or small Christmas market that you can, that's affordable, as a way to test out your product and your business idea. So definitely just keep going, guys. But I do feel like if you have been sitting on that product business idea for this whole year, now is the time to do it. And again, guys, remember, this has been a marathon for me. I've been doing this for years now, so don't be disheartened if you launch and you don't get any sales. That is very normal. I'm giving you the tools you need to be able to launch and gain sales at the same damn time. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.